Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English channel. Today we will talk about dressing etiquette. In this video I'll tell you some tips to dress well and look professional while you go for a meeting or some kind of interview. So how you have to dress yourself. So we'll talk something about dressing sense in this session. So let's start the session. Always dress to suit your figure, face and personality. So one should dress in such a way it should suit his or her personality and he should look good in his attire. Dress simply unless it is a party. So if you don't have to go any party or any formal occasion, you can dress simply, which is the most comfortable outfit nowadays. Be distinct and attractive without being garish or flamboyant. So be handsome, attractive and don't look dull. Avoid dressing skinny clothes in which you will feel uncomfortable and you will not be able to focus on your agenda or task. While children can wear bright clothes, those above 40 years look graceful in sober clothes with muted colors. While leather belts with big brass buckles look good on youngsters, older people should have smaller buckles on their belts. Do make sure that your shoes are well polished and are comfortable to wear. Make sure that your socks and handkerchief are spotlessly clean. Always wear a formal tie for formal occasions which suits your shirt. Perfume should be dabbed on with caution. Don't drench yourself in it. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you have liked this video of dressing sense. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.